In this video, I will show you how you can install the Motion Bro in After Effects 2026. So first of all, navigate to the official website, which is motionbro.com. And once you're right inside, you need to navigate to the plugins section. Once you're right inside the plugin sections, you can download the Motion Bro plugin via two options. You can either go with Creative Cloud or you can go with the manual installation. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can manually install the Motion Bro right inside the After Effects. So once you're right inside the manual installation of the Motion Bro, you have two options. You can either install the ZXP file or you can download the zip file and extract into the desired folder. So I would recommend you to download and install it using ZXP installer, because it is easy to install. So first of all, you need to download the ZXP or UXP installer first. You need to click on this. It will navigate you to the ascripts.com and we need to download the ZXP installer. So once you're right inside, you need to scroll down until you see the download for macOS or download for Windows. I will go with Windows. Once you're done downloading the ZXP installer, we need to download the ZXP Motion Bro. So you need to click on this, and now we need to wait for ZXP installer and the Motion Bro. So as you can see, both of the files are successfully downloaded. First of all, we need to open the Ascripts ZXP installer. So you need to click on this. As you can see, I have successfully installed it already. So I will click on close, but you need to install it on your PC. Alright fellas, so once you're right inside the ZXP installer, you need to click on file. And once you click on file, you need to click on open. Once you click on open, you need to specify the path where you have downloaded the Motion Bro ZXP file. You need to double click on this and it will start downloading the Motion Bro right inside your computer. So you need to click on install. Alright fellas, so once your Motion Bro has been successfully installed inside your After Effects, it will display the message like this. This is the CEP extension. This is the name of the extension, that is Motion Bro 7, and this is my After Effects version, that is 2026, and the current version is 7.0.5. So it means that the Motion Bro is successfully installed inside my After Effects. Now we need to go right inside the After Effects and see if it is actually installed or not. For that, you need to go to the search bar of your Windows and you need to search for After Effects. Once you type After Effects, you need to navigate right inside the application. Alright fellas, so once you're right inside the After Effects, to make things easier to understand and to check whether the Motion Bro is installed in After Effects or not, we need to create a composition. Let us click on new composition and we need to go with the default settings just for the demonstration purpose. And once you're done, you need to click on OK. Alright, so first of all, we need to make sure we have the compatibility that is in place already. So for that, you need to click on edit. You need to navigate to preferences and navigate to scripting and expressions. Once you're right inside, make sure allow scripts to write files and access network. This is marked as tick, otherwise your Motion Bro will not work. So you need to make sure this is marked as tick and you need to click on OK. Next, you need to go to the file in the top left navigation of the After Effects and you need to navigate to project settings. Once you're right inside, make sure you have selected your GPU acceleration CUDA for video rendering and effects, and once you're done, you need to click on OK. Next, you need to navigate to the window and you need to find the extension, and in the extension you can see the Motion Bro. It means that your Motion Bro has been successfully installed inside the After Effects. So you need to click on this, and as you can see, the Motion Bro has been successfully installed and I can use it right inside the After Effects. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will try my best to respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.